everyone, welcome to Soulful Lifestyle. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. Now, it is believed that you are what you eat. Just imagine if you stuff yourself with something really hearty, filling, and nutritious at the beginning of your day, then you definitely are a happy person throughout your day. And this is exactly what we are going to do today. We are going to cook a very hearty breakfast, which will include avocado toast, some baked beans, but Indian version because we are in India and it's hard to find cannellini beans, which are the Italian beans here, and I don't really enjoy cooking with canned foods, and also some eggs. So let's begin. And yes, before I leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Kindly like this video if you like the recipe, and please hit the bell button so that you get the latest updates of my channel. Thank you so much for watching.
For this recipe, we'll need 1 large onion chopped. I'm using 2 onions because they were small in size. 6 slices of bread of your choice. I'm using multigrain bread here. 1 green chili chopped. 2 small avocados. Handful of cilantro chopped. Juice of half a lime or a lemon. 1 teaspoon of garlic chopped. Either 2 small or 1 large tomato chopped. 1 teaspoon of honey, salt and pepper to taste. Avocados used here were on sale on Facebook Market for about 60 rupees per piece. For the baked beans with an Indian twist, we need 250 grams of black-eyed beans or choli beans, 1 green chili chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped, 1 medium onion chopped, 3 large or 6 small tomatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder or paprika, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup or to taste. Although I have not shown it in the picture, but you also need 1 tablespoon of jaggery, either in powder form or solid. Let us begin by pitting the avocado and also mashing the pulp up. Let us make a vertical slit around the avocado starting from the stem part. Remove the seed and now start pulping out the flesh of avocado with the help of a spoon. An avocado that gives in when you press it is a symbol of its ripeness, and it is usually dark in color. To make the guacamole for your avocado toast, let us squeeze in juice of half a lime or a lemon to the mash of avocado. To this, add in chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, garlic, green chili and cilantro. Crush in some black peppercorns as per your taste, some honey and also some salt to taste, and mix this well. If you're not using this right away, you need to cover this with a cling wrap so that the avocado mixture does not turn brown. Refrigerate your guacamole until use. To make the Indian style baked beans, heat some oil in a heated pressure cooker. Now add in some chopped garlic and some chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. Adding cilantro to hot oil makes a dish very flavorful. Saute this for about 30 seconds until the garlic is pink. Now add in your powdered spices, which is red chili powder, crushed black peppercorns and also the Italian herbs. I have forgotten to add the Italian herbs earlier, but I added them later. Also add in your chopped onion, green chili and some salt to taste, and saute this mixture for about 30 seconds. Blend your tomatoes into a puree. When the onions are translucent, add in the tomato puree. Saute this on a medium-high flame until the tomato mixture bubbles up. Add in a tablespoon of jaggery or to taste based on the preference of sweetness that you want with your beans. In addition to being an excellent source of protein, black-eyed beans are also a source of vitamin A, K, folates, magnesium, iron and many other great nutrients. I had soaked my black-eyed or choli beans overnight. Add the soaked choli beans to your tomato mixture. Mix this well. Cooking the soaked beans together with the masalas results in a better soaking of flavors and a much flavorful gravy as compared to boiling the beans separately. Now add in 1.5 cups of water. Mix it well. Do a final salt taste and now cover the pressure cooker and let it cook for about 4 to 5 whistles based on the capacity of your cooker. Post 5 whistles, let the pressure release on its own and open the cooker. Mix this well. I had forgotten to add the mixed Italian herbs along with the red chili powder and the black pepper earlier, which I'm adding now. If you like your beans to be saucy, you may leave it as is, but I prefer mine to be thicker, so I'm going to grind about 2 tablespoons of the beans and add this ground paste to this sauce so that it becomes thicker. Also, to enhance its taste, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Your baked beans with an Indian twist are now ready. On a hot pan, I'm going to melt in some butter in order to toast my bread slices. You may also toast this on a toaster if you have one. Keep your toast aside. On the same pan, heat some oil. Break in either 1 or 2 eggs that you prefer for your breakfast. Since we already have a protein dish of beans, hence I'm using only 1 egg here. Add in salt or pepper or any condiments based on your preference. Let's assemble the avocado toast, for which we are going to spread the guacamole on our toast. In order to make this a complete meal or a wholesome breakfast, you may serve your beans, toast and the egg along with some cut fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds of your choice.
Let's do a taste test. I'm going to try the beans first because that's my favorite. Delicious. You won't believe that this is even better than the cannellini beans, which are the original beans which are used in all baked bean recipes. My motive is to make sure that everyone is able to cook, especially those living in India, because we don't have access to everything European or many foreign products. So refreshing. Delicious. You should try this. A breakfast which is so hearty, it has all the nutrients required to begin your day. Try this.